Daniel Parsons, really excited to share this very hot product. This is the ORYGN triGLP drops. They help your body burn fat and reduces inflammation, and also helps fix the gut if you have any digestive problems, which many people have. So I have 3 of these little bottles arrived today in the US mail here in the United States. I ordered back on the 6th, and they arrived 1 week later on the 13th. So I'm just going to shake it up and then do 5 drops on the tongue. You don't have to put them under the tongue. So let me read you the ingredients, and then I don't have to explain what it tastes like, because you should be able to decipher that. Shake well before use. Place 5 drops on the tongue twice per day. Consult your health care provider before use if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place and avoid prolonged exposure to sunlight. Ingredients: Norwegian salmon protein, hydrolysate, peptides, and free amino acids. Extract: deionized water, organic lemon extract, organic ginger extract. Proprietary extraction process. This statement has not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So, how can you get this product? Let me go on screen share and I will show you. We will go to a browser here, myhealthdrops.com/paradise. Okay, let me come back over and share. So type in a web browser, myhealthdrops.com/paradise. Now you need to have the /paradise. The reason is that way you'll get me. So fat loss, this is a breakthrough in metabolic wellness. Fat loss, energy boost, help with inflammation, fix the gut. Drops to help your body shed fat, restore balance, and sustain natural energy all day. GLP-1 is the appetite whisperer. And you can stop the video and read all the rest of this information. GLP-2, GIP, metabolic optimizer. So, and on here, you get all of these wonderful little videos about where they're sourcing this. And I know many people, if you give them 15 to 25% body weight reduction, they will be absolutely ecstatic. And blood sugar, improved glucose control, and HbA1c. And so energy, inflammation reduction, digestion improvement. So once again, there's that label that I just read for you. And so here's your ingredients again. And then this is to help explain the whole process, intestinal health and recovery. And so you don't have to take painful injections anymore. So there is my name, Daniel Parsons. There is my phone number, 360-383-0265. And we have warehouses in South America, Central America, France, Netherlands, South Africa, USA, and Peru. So I look forward to working in this program with you. There's some testimonials right there. And so there's my phone number again at the bottom. And so let me go off of screen sharing. This is Daniel, and I look forward to working with you with the ORYGN drops. And so there is a referral income plan that's very generous. And so if you want to participate in that, highly recommend that you come in. It's $139, shipping included. And there's no sales tax on the shipments. Shipping out of Utah for United States. And what else can I tell you? Oh, we have a support room on WhatsApp to answer any questions. And there's a very fancy back office with AI tools if you want to engage in that. And it's very, very affordable. I think $5 for the basic membership. And so the whole thing is just be a product of the product. And I can already feel some energy. And it's not caffeinated energy. It's just my blood circulation. That's the very first time I took 5 drops. I think the 5 drops was a dropper full. So I'm not going to do any more today because we get our mail in the afternoon. So the suggested, take this after you have any coffee in the morning, maybe wait an hour and a half or so after you have coffee. So if you take your breakfast early, then wait a couple hours and then take the drops. And then after your lunch in the afternoon or your dinner is what we call it, your main midday meal, maybe 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, take your second dose. And so look forward to working with you in the ORYGN business. This is Daniel Parsons signing off from Washington State. Oh, one more thing about the product. Sean Loomer, and I have a audio recording of his talk. He's the formulator. And I put that audio recording up on my SoundCloud. So if you went on to SoundCloud and you typed in formulator Sean Loomer, SEAN, and then last name Loomer, LOOMER, you'll probably find my SoundCloud recording, and you can listen to how they sourced these ingredients. This is Daniel signing off for now. Bye for now.